Hey guys, this is RLC's 321 Fantastic Plastic coming back again with another model kit unboxing, and I'm so excited about this one. I'm just whoo-wee. Yeah, am I excited about this? I'm just excited. And you know that song that's going through my head right now. I think it's Aretha Franklin, is it? I'm so excited. That song. I think that's the song that's going through my head right now. And yes, I'm having to stand up. So, let's go with an unboxing. Can't even fit the whole box on the table. I really can't. So I've just got to figure out how I'm going to undo this now. Let's go with across the top. Okay. Glass there as well. Okay. Right. Let's put that there. And oh yeah, right. This has been really wrapped up. So I'm gonna do this on the bed, and I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Right. Okay. I'm now back. And all I'm going to say is that it's huge. Absolutely huge. You ready for this? The USS Enterprise NCC 1701A by Polar Lights at 1/350th scale. Woohoo! Yeah, baby! 1/350th scale. Okay. So, I got this off of eBay, and it has come in extremely well packaged, which I'm pleased to report. The box has seen better days, but he's had it for a while, so there you go. But that doesn't matter, because it's not the box that's important. It's what's in the box. That's what's important. Holy oh shizer. So it looks like we've got a decal sheet here. Let's have a quick look at that. Yep, there you go, there's a decal sheet. Let's put that back in there so it's protected. And it says it has over 150 parts to it. And that I can well look at the size. Let's just have a look at this, shall we? Right, okay, well it looks like he's already started drilling out some of these holes here. Right there. Which is fine, it saves me having to do it. Need to clean up some of these holes. Some of these here. I mean, this is going to be my biggest project ever. Bloody hell, look at the size of this thing. Wow. I'm beyond gobsmacked, that's for sure. This is huge. The missus is looking like this. Let's have a look and see what else we got in here. Oh, look at these nacelles, man. Look at that. Look. They're ginormous. That is the size of Voyager. Right there. That's pretty much the size of Voyager. And I thought Voyager was huge. Looks like got the neck part there, and the nacelle arms. Oh, this is unreal. Aztec instructions. This is supposed to have decals, I think. Because why is it giving me Aztec decal instructions? Yeah. So this is supposed to have had decals, Aztec decals. For it. And this is huge. And it's a shame it doesn't, but I'll just have to purchase some, which is fine. There's the base with a rod, but is it a need to find out if that rod is just a solid tube or it's a solid tube. So I'm gonna have to get a rod to hold this bad girl up. This is the base that it comes on, by the way, which I should be able to hide switches in, like here or something like that for the switches, because as I say, this is going to be the biggest project I've ever done. And I don't mean big just because of the size of it, I mean big. I mean, look at that, that's the main body there. Look at this. This is loads of different parts. Wow. What's this? Decal application instructions. It's a shame there is no decals. But there you go. I can't even get all of this out of the box. There is just so much here. Yeah, this is going to be a fun build, that's for sure. It's obviously going to be lighted, and I'm going to use the Arduino to light this bad boy. Let's put those instructions in there. Yeah, that is a shame, because I think that it hasn't got the thingy decals for it. But yeah, God. I'm gobsmacked. I really am. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. Let's have a look at the lower saucer section. Yeah, I might need to make those holes just a little bit bigger because they're a little bit tiny. I want the hole to be about the same size as that, so I can fit a 3mm LED in there, so it pops up and is roughly the right height then. But man, size of this thing. I tell you, the missus is going to have absolute kittens. She really, she really is going to have kittens, especially when she sees the size of this. I mean, let's get. Hang on. Let me get a saucer out. Let me put this out of the way. There. One saucer. Okay. Be right back. That's one saucer. That's the original series Enterprise. It's almost the same size. I would say it's about, if I put this in dead center, if it was another 3 inches, it would be the exact same size. Let me just put this back, hang on. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure whether I'm going to use Aztec decals for this or use the paint masks for this. Whatever I do, I am not going to do the 5 color thing on it because I don't have, and I'm not going to, because I'm going to be spending enough on this already, and I don't want to spend too much more money on it. So, but I just cannot believe how big this thing is. I really can't. And I'm just so excited about this. I really am excited. Yeah, so it's going to be a big project. It's going to take me quite a while to finish and to do. Some of the light blocking I'm going to have to do outside in the garden, because I can't spray my black and white paints in the house, because even though I have the air extractor fan, it's not that good. But yeah, look at it. Just look at this. This is huge. I'm gonna keep on saying it. It's bloody huge. Oh wow. I am. A little bit of flash there, which has just come off. At least I hope that's flash. Flash. Save only one of us. Yeah, I think it is flash. It's just flash, a bit of flash on here, so that's not too bad. But yeah. As we go through doing things, we will have a little bit closer look at things and things like that. But I just thought I'd give you a heads up on the next project. I'm gonna start this after I finish the JJ prize, because I want to test a few things out with the JJ prize first before I do anything with that. Make sure I know what I'm doing. But then, knowing me, I may start other things. May start it anyway before then, because I want to get at it. But anyway guys, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very quick unboxing video. Kind of an unboxing video, because I just couldn't fit everything on the desk. And I'm just so excited about this build. I literally cannot wait. I'm really excited about it. So I will see you guys in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.